Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Therma Bright. This is one we initially covered on the channel about 2 weeks ago. Since then, they've come out with a number of key developments at the organization, which I want to walk through in today's presentation. Now, before we do, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel, especially helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We just crossed the 45,000 subscriber milestone. We'd love to have you as part of the community. And finally, let me know in the comment section below if you're currently holding shares of Therma Bright, your outlook on this company in the final few months of 2024, and your thoughts on these recent key developments. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Therma Bright Incorporated, trades on the TSX Venture here in Canada under the ticker THRM. It also trades on the OTC exchange in the United States under the ticker symbol TBRIF. Now, as you can see, this is midday, Monday, August 26th, having a very strong session up in excess of 15% or 1 cent on the day, currently trading hands at 7.5 cents Canadian. And this is really following some key developments that have taken place since our initial coverage on Therma Bright a few weeks ago. So if you scroll down the page into the news section, you can see 2 key developments, which are going to be the theme of today's presentation, talking about Therma Bright's Venowave technology securing their permanent HCPCS codes, which we talked about in our prior video. And subsequent to that development, Therma Bright securing nationwide US distribution for their Venowave device. Now, in our last video on Therma Bright, we talked about the diversified portfolio within this company's collection or umbrella of technology, all focused on transforming innovation into wellness. And you can see Venowave being listed there among others in this space. So Therma Bright is a developer and partner in a range of leading-edge proprietary diagnostic and medical device technologies. And if you actually take a look at Venowave specifically, this is a circulation booster for blood clot prevention, which is an effective solution to prevent problems associated with poor circulation. Venowave delivers the advantages of increased mobility, ability to exercise, and pain management. Now, if we jump over to the product section of the Therma Bright corporate website, again, I'll leave this linked in the video description below. You can see they've actually put together a short clip on Venowave itself.
Did you know that more people die annually from blood clotting complications than breast cancer, HIV, and traffic accidents combined? Venowave is designed to prevent serious issues and provide immediate relief from the pain caused by chronic venous insufficiency, venous ulcers, and other circulatory problems. Venowave is a compact and lightweight battery-operated pump. There are no tubes or wires to trip over or worry about getting tangled, and it fits comfortably under clothes, offering the user discreet relief while remaining mobile. Venowave is easy to use. Simply insert the supplied rechargeable battery into the Venowave unit. Attach the unit to your leg using the adjustable straps and press the power button to activate Venowave.
So as you can see there, this FDA-approved circulation booster, pictured in the top left here, is a specialized medical compression pump. Again, it's lightweight, compact, discreet, battery-operated, providing users a solution to a whole host of circulation-related issues. Now, below the video, you can see an overview of the product, a description of how the product itself works, a how-to guide in terms of charging and installation, and some of the R&D that went into the product itself. So now that we've got a quick refresher on Therma Bright, specifically Venowave, and that underlying technology, I wanted to fast forward to August 19th when the first of these big press releases was actually filed. So this one came out again August 19th stating Therma Bright's Venowave VW5 secures permanent HCPCS code E0683 from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Now, as we alluded to in our last video, this is a big opportunity opening up a huge addressable market for Therma Bright and really any other companies that are able to secure these coveted codes. Going on to say that Therma Bright is pleased to announce that its Venowave VW5 has received the Permanent Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, also known as HCPCS, code from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. And this was actually granted on August 16th, as was widely expected or anticipated at the time we put our last video together. Now, per an official announcement by the CMS itself, the company received the new Venowave VW5 permanent HCPCS Level 2 code E0683 for its first of its kind solution, as well as their CMS pricing determination. And if you actually click on the code itself, it'll take you to the Department of Health and Human Services, talking about the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, Level 2 Final Coding, Benefit Category, and Payment Determinations in more detail. Now, they've determined the Venowave VW5 will have a complete patient buyout option for a pair of Venowave devices with a capped reimbursement of $11.99, or can be rented with a capped rental fee reimbursement of $78.05 per month, with a total capped reimbursement of $819.55 for 13 months of continuous use. So what these codes essentially offer you guys is the eligibility for this product, the Venowave VW5, to be included as part of the Medicare and Medicaid program, which enables reimbursement options for consumers or customers using this product. Now, that's obviously a huge benefit to companies, as this offsets the price for the end user, thus making their product or solution even more attractive from a financial perspective for potential clients. Now, Rob Fia, who's the CEO of Therma Bright, goes on to say, "We are pleased that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid has approved our permanent code request, as well as the reimbursement pricing and the new HCPCS Level 2 designation for the Venowave VW5 device. As shared in several of our recent press announcements, the CDC itself estimates that over 900,000 US citizens suffer from deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, and Market Digits research projects this disease will reach a total value of $1.5 billion US by 2032 on a global market perspective. And DVT is only one medical condition out of 10 circulatory issues that the permanent code will cover, which is very exciting." So in our last video, we talked about the fact that the Venowave VW5 has multiple different use cases under which the permanent code will cover, with the full list of the 10 indications shown here, again broadening or widening the total addressable market for this technology. And they then go on to talk about some of the details and benefits of this product, which we just looked at on the corporate website. Now, quickly following that last press release, about 3 days later on Thursday, August 22nd, Therma Bright came out and secured a nationwide US distribution partner for Venowave. So you've got to imagine they had this lined up in anticipation of those code approvals, with the distributor committing to acquire the remaining inventory totaling just shy of $2.4 million in reimbursement value, coming out and announcing the addition of a new nationwide US durable medical equipment, or DME, distributor. Now, they haven't named the partner specifically, though they did say the partner's name will be disclosed in future upcoming press releases, with the new DME partner offering favorable payment terms to Therma Bright, which reflect the partner's confidence in Venowave itself, its market readiness, and the robust HCPCS reimbursement setup and expected reimbursement timing. And interestingly enough, they've seen the days to pay actually reduce or normalize to under 30 days after these HCPCS codes are issued. Now, Rob Fia, again, CEO of Therma Bright, goes on to say, "We are thrilled to welcome our nationwide distribution partner to our team and look forward to working with them closely on this program to demonstrate to their medical network the speed of reimbursement, as well as our efficient order and delivery process. We expect the program to be successful, leading to a significant increase in Venowave orders on a monthly basis and accelerating our revenue growth." So obviously a huge development for the team at Therma Bright. Again, widely anticipated at the time our last video was put together. However, as we all know, in the capital markets, the market doesn't like uncertainty, and we now have certainty in terms of the codes and distribution for the Venowave technology. Now, with that being said, Venowave represents just one opportunity under the Therma Bright umbrella. So again, I would encourage you guys to go into the corporate website linked in the video description below. Take a look at some of the other products available or technologies available through this company's portfolio. You can take a look at the corporate overview as well. stating that Therma Bright is focused on servicing the $21 billion cosmeceutical industry with a variety of these different patent pending and trademarked products, including TherOZap and Intercept, which we discussed in our initial coverage. So for those reasons, you guys, a lot to be excited about in terms of the Therma Bright story. Let me know in the comment section below if you're currently holding this company, what you thought about these key developments, and your outlook on this organization moving forward. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.